Hello, nice to meet you again. My name is Fomafung, your Agile Evangelist, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be short and quick. I am here today to confirm some facts about becoming a Scrum Master and to debunk some misconceptions about becoming a Scrum Master or being a Scrum Master. If this is your first time here, you're very welcome. And on this channel, we talk about project management, product development, the agile ways of working. We share ideas. This is our own way of giving back to the community so we all can continuously learn and grow in this wonderful agile journey and just keep our learning alive. So this is the safest place where you can share your thoughts and no one is judging you, where you can feel safe and feel fast and learn fast. That is the beauty of agility. And if you are a returning subscriber, a returning viewer, as always, you are so appreciated. We do not take you for granted. Thank you so very much. Now, there have been some common misconceptions out there or being talked about a lot in the space, and I am just here to address some of them. And please, if you want to get the most value of what we are talking about today, make sure you watch this video till the very end. Thank you so much. Let's first of all start by who I am. I am a certified Agile Coach, a professional Agile Coach. I'm a professional certified mentor. I'm a professional certified trainer, and I'm also the founder of Being Agile Consulting. So if I am still around and this number of people following me, it means that I know what I'm doing. So please connect so that we all can continue on this journey together. Number one question: who can become a Scrum Master? Anyone can become a Scrum Master. Anyone. What it takes is a coachable heart. You have to be coachable to be a Scrum Master. So being a Scrum Master is for anyone. Number two question: do I have to be technical to be a Scrum Master? Nope. You do not have to be technical to be a Scrum Master. If you have a technical background, you've been technical, you've been working in a technical environment, great. That's an addition to you, but it is not a requirement. And the value of being technical is that you can easily follow along when team members, when developers are having technical conversations, you can easily follow along on that kind of conversation. But the downside is that you can be tempted to become an impediment because just having a technical understanding, you may be tempted to want to tell these people what to do. And in Agile, we do not appreciate that. We do not appreciate you as a Scrum Master telling people what to do. You see, we see that as you stopping them from thinking for themselves and solutioning for themselves. And that is not helpful if you're really there to empower them to discover their full potential. So again, being technical, we see that as not required at all. The third question: must I have a computer science degree to become a Scrum Master? Sweetheart, no, you do not need to have a technical, a computer science degree to be a Scrum Master. Any degree is just fine. Doesn't matter what the degree is. It may be from a business degree, a science degree, a law degree, whatever it is, it's fine. You can become a Scrum Master with just any degree. And the fourth question: must I have oh no, sorry. The fourth question is: do I need a Scrum Master certification to be a Scrum Master? Well, it depends. Some organizations require you to have a Scrum Master certification. Some other organizations doesn't consider that as a requirement. But come to think of it, in this space that is highly competitive, there are thousands of people out there with certifications, okay? And they're in the market as well. So to put your best foot out there, yes, the more training you've had, the better. It will only make you increase your chances of being called, you see? So most organizations, you do not require a Scrum Master certification, but I would strongly recommend that you get one if you want your resume to be marketable. Yes, you should have one. And one other thing too, most organizations will prefer to go with someone that has a Scrum Master certification, because at least that's a guarantee that they've been through some formal training. You see, that's a guarantee, and it means that it will reduce the risk of hiring the wrong person. So yes, I strongly suggest that you go through a formal training and get a certification. And then the next question, must I go through formal training? What if I do self-studies online? Okay, self-studies is amazing. I am a lover of self-studies, and that is why I bring this content to you. This is a form of self-study so that you can continuously enhance your knowledge. But with self-studies, the problem with self-studies is that you will not have a clear scope and structure of what you need to know. You see, you will just be all over the place, and you can easily get drowned in so much information, which will lead to overwhelmness, and you may break down. Okay? And in addition to that, you will not have a clear scope of what you truly need, as opposed to what's just out there, you keep consuming and consuming. So, self-studies, I would do self-studies in addition to a formal training, not just as the only training I have had. I would never do self-studies as the only training I have had. No, I would do it in addition to a formal training in whatever I am trying to do. In this case, a Scrum Master. That's what I would suggest. Hope that's clear. And then the next question, how is the job market? Is the job market booming, or is it a struggle to get a job? Okay, I love talking about this, and I wouldn't want you to say, oh, Karen said that, and you may not trust the information. So what I would suggest is that go to credible job sites, okay, like Glassdoor, like Indeed.com, like LinkedIn. Just go there and look up Scrum Master jobs today and see the number that will pop up. Before I started recording this video, I did a fact check just on LinkedIn. And just on LinkedIn today, we have, just on LinkedIn and in USA today, we have 165,000 Scrum Master openings. 165,000. I'm not talking about Agile coaches. I'm not talking about roles that call Scrum Master different things, like Agile team coach, like Agilist, like Agile practitioner. I'm not talking about these things. I'm only talking about the roles that are labeled as Scrum Master roles. That's the only thing I'm talking about today. Only for USA today, and only for LinkedIn. That is the number of open job opportunities. So what does that tell you? It means the market is booming. So there is just no need to fear, and there is really absolutely no need to wait. My next question here, and by the way, all those questions that I'm asking are all questions that I've collected from people reaching out and asking. So I am just bringing this as a way to reach out to so many people at once, because you all know my capacity. I just cannot be able to attend to people individually, except through this channel or except through our programs. Let us sail these boats together. My next question, am I guaranteed to have a job after going through the training, the mentoring, and the coaching? Well, to these questions, nope, you are not guaranteed to have a job after going through, for example, you go through the training through us, which that's what we want, and you go through the mentoring, which will be our level 2 program. It's not a guarantee that you will have a job, because there is no way in this world that there is a job on the shelf that they'll just pick and give to you because you've gone through some training. No, it doesn't happen like that. It's, come to think of it, it's just the same like you're asking you're going through an academic degree, an economics degree, and you're asking your teacher or your professor that, is it a guarantee that I will have a job immediately I have my degree? Like, no. You have to do your own part. Okay, you have to do your own part, and this thing is partnership. If you, let's say, if you go through our program, if you are able to commit, follow simple direction, and be consistent for the duration of the program, Yes, that is guaranteed. But outside of that, there is no guarantee that after just having a certification or going through some form of training, you will have a job. No, it doesn't work like that. Unfortunately, I just have to be honest with you. The next question is it possible to get a job with just training and earning a certification? Like immediately after training and earning a certification? Well, it is possible to get a job, but it is difficult, to be honest with you. If you only go through a formal training, and most of the Scrum Masters trainings are just 2 days, you earn a certification, and that is a problem. Most people start thinking they are Scrum Masters with certifications. No, you are not a Scrum Master. You are just a Scrum Master certification holder. You are not a Scrum Master yet, okay? And that is a problem that most people have, because they will just get that certification and they start thinking, oh, yes, they are good to go with having that job, and then they put their resumes out there, and then they go for interviews. They don't retain them. They start getting frustrated and all of that because they were not informed. They were not informed. It's difficult. Yes, it's a possibility. Like all these videos that we are putting out, all the great channels are out there putting out videos. Most people would leverage these to land a job, but it's gonna be a struggle. It's gonna be a struggle. So for you to avoid that struggle and that frustration and spending that time, because it's gonna take a long time, get a mentor right after your training. Don't wait. Get a mentor, get a coach. Get a coach that will help you through this journey. Okay, that is the best way that you can get to that destination in a safe way, and it will guarantee your long-term success and effectiveness on the job. Okay, for some people, you may even still manage to have the job right after the training with just the certification, without going through any mentoring and coaching. You may manage to have the job, but I can guarantee you that you will struggle on the job. You will really struggle on the job. So having a mentor or a coach, to me, is not optional. It's not optional. It's even more important than the certification to me. Yeah. So if that's what you're thinking, to go land a job right after your certification, yes, it's a possibility, but it is strongly discouraged. Get a coach and a mentor to help you through the journey and guide you. We all need a coach. We all need a mentor. I have my standby mentor. I have my standby mentor, and that is why I'm able to continuously come here and face thousands of people with the thousands of questions that I always ask. I am not a genius or anything like that. I have a standby mentor that I have to run to for ideas and different things whenever I need. So that will be my recommendation to you. Next question. How do I get started in becoming a Scrum Master? How do I get started in becoming a Scrum Master? It's very easy. I would suggest you choose us. Choosing us will be one of the best decisions you ever make in your life. That is for sure. So to get started, all you have to do is go to the description box right down below. Open the description box and click the link that will take you to our website, www.beingagileconsulting.com. Go to our website and you will see the different programs we offer. You can choose to enroll directly from the website, or if your payment information is not listed online, give us a call or send us an email, and we will, give you other options that you can use to get started. And we offer trainings every month. We do offer training for the level 1 training. It starts every first Tuesday of the month, and it's a 1-month program. Again, visit the website. You will get all the detailed information on what you need to get started. It's pretty easy, and trust me, it's in no less than 3 months we will be posting your success story. That's what we do. Okay, and now the next question. Even if I have the desire to enroll, what would I need in order to successfully go through the program? Okay, these are the things that you will need to get started. Number 1, you need your tuition fee, and the amount is listed on the website. Please visit the website. Secondly, you need a computer, and you need a mobile phone. You should have a mobile phone. Most people do. And you would need a computer as well. You need internet connection. All of our classes are 100% online. Yes, you will need internet connection. And we also hold our classes through Zoom. So you would need to install the Zoom on your device. And most importantly, you need a mind willing to commit. You need a mind willing to commit, because you can still have all these things, but it takes a mind that is willing to commit for the duration of the program and be consistent. That is what will guarantee your success. There is no magic. We will give you everything. It's 100% guarantee. We will give you more than what you need to be successful, but it's all up to you to use it. And for you to successfully do that, you have to be willing to commit for the duration of the program. You have to prioritize it. I know that there is a lot of things going on out there, but we will not appreciate if you're deprioritizing our services for other things. Okay, so if you want to get your result, you have to be willing to commit and be consistent for the duration of the program. And it's very short. To take your level 1 training is just a month program, and it's not every day, just twice a week, and you would need to commit just like 2 hours for one session. So you should be looking at approximately 4 hours per week to commit. And then once you're done with that, level 2 mentoring and coaching, it's just 2 months program, twice a week for 1 hour. So that's it for the commitment. And if you're able to do all this, you will be joining the other side of this agile space, and you will be celebrating your success. And just like that, you will, in no time, you will accelerate in this journey and even start to mentor and coach other people and just create impact and just make a difference in the world. So I hope this video today was helpful. And as always, if you have other questions, have thoughts, please feel free to leverage the comment section. Drop your thoughts, drop your questions, and we'll put them together and we will bring you the information that you're hungry for. Thank you so much. And again, my name is Karen Fomafung, your Agile Evangelist, and hope to talk to you another time. Bye.